On the front you have two 20-pound propane tanks. They are both full and ready to go. On the regulator, this is an oil changeover regulator, so this here is pointing towards this tank, which means this is your main supply tank. Right now it's red, tanks are off. When I turn the tank on, it does go green to let you know that that tank does have propane. Once this tank is empty, it'll automatically switch over to the next tank. As long as the valve is in the on position, it will then turn the center back to red. In behind the propane tanks are your batteries. The switch for this light is underneath. Hot water heater is a DSI. Their switch for that is inside. You have 4 stabilizer jacks, 1 in each corner of the trailer. This is where you're going to plug your trailer into hydro. This is a 30 amp connection. You just line up the connection, push it on. 25 feet of cord will be inside the trailer for you. Furnace exhaust, fridge vents, outside shower, hot and cold taps in here. This is the drain. Anything that goes down the kitchen sink comes directly outside. Freshwater fill is here. The freshwater drain is located up underneath the tire. City water connection is right here. This is your lift assist motor. It's assist. It is lifting this side of the trailer. When you press the button, you are also going to give a little bit of assist on the other side. Full size spare on the back. This track here is for the outside table and the griddle. The propane for the griddle comes out of here. It does work just like an airline, so you rotate it to the off position, pull back, connect it on, rotate this guy up for the flow of gas. Outside speaker, outside light, again the switch is underneath. Lift assist motor, the actuator, so extend and retract. 2 110 plugs. As soon as you come in the trailer, the radio is right here. This is your thermostat, so you just press the mode button here until you see the function come up that you wish, using your up and down to control your temperatures. This switch here runs the light just around the corner. This switch here runs your roof lights. This switch is your Wi-Fi Ranger. Your password for that is right there. On the front bench here, so you have your barbecue lifter, your water filter and wrench, heated mattress cord, 2 sets of keys, your radio remote. In this bag here, that is your power cord, 25 feet. This is your owner's manual bag, so all the literature for the trailer is in there. Stabilizer cranks, outside table, and your barbecue and the mount for that is inside the bag. Underneath the table, so the table is just a regular banquet style table legs, so they just flip flop. Up here, this is your LP carbon monoxide detector. This is your hot water heater, so you just flip that to the on position. It will turn on, ignite, do everything all by itself. Your 110 plugs here, this is your main GFI, so if you ever have plugs not working, that's where you're going to reset it. Down at the bottom here, those are your 12 volt fuses. These are your 120 breakers. Furnace, fridge, so all your controls for your fridge are located right here, so you just press the on button. It does take a couple seconds to register. It will come up in the auto position. So right now it's in auto. We are not plugged into hydro, so it is going to pick gas. So now the gas light is lit, so that means that it is running on propane. You can press the DC button here to bring it up. Now remember that that is going to draw a fair bit of power. So back to the auto position, and then once you are done with your fridge, you turn it back to the off position. Microwave is your standard 110. Sink, so for transit, you do have to take this top neck out. To install it, you just push it in and thread lock it on. Right here in the corner, this is your pump switch here, so if you're dry camping without the use of a city hose, you're just going to turn that to the on position. 110 plug over here, stove top, so you want to lift up the glass, turn whichever burner you wish to turn on using your sparker, only turning the sparker to the right. You have light switch here, so up is going to operate the controls in front of the stove, down is going to give you the glass inside the stove. Always remember when you are ready to pack your trailer up that you do put this glass back down. Anything above your countertops will get hit. Up on the roof, this is your fantastic fan. So you want to make sure you unlock your vent, cranking your vent open. Then you can select your fan speed. When you're ready to pack up to go home, you want to crank your vent back down. And you want to turn this to the lock position. As far as packing up your trailer, setting it up is the exact reverse. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by unlocking your back latches. Table should always be stored in the down position for travel. Releasing your clip on the wall. Coming down, the rubber puck here is going to set on the table. Your door has a latch right here. And then the last latch up in the triangle. You're going to bring the door roof down and you're just going to fold the door open. This door here must be in the down position. If it is up over here like this, there is not enough clearance for the roof to come down. Pressing the retract button. Now when you are putting the roof up, you'll see this handle right here. You're just going to push up on this handle at the same time as you're pressing up, just to help the motor out. Again, the way this works is you're designed to help lift it on this side, and the motor is going to lift it on the other side. Once the motor stops, that's all the way down. Latch up your locks. Any questions, you can give us a shout at 519-371-0370, or you can reach us by email at info@terrystrailer.ca.